In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clickable links in Canva. Clickable links are perfect for directing viewers to your website, a sign-up page, a portfolio, or any resource you want them to visit. The process is quick, and once you know where to look, you can add links to your designs with confidence. Let's walk through it together, nice and simple. Start by opening your design in Canva and clicking directly on the text you want to make clickable. Make sure the text box is active, with a blinking cursor inside it. Now highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link. You can drag across just a phrase, or select all the text in the box if you want the entire line to be clickable. This selection step is important because it tells Canva precisely which characters should carry the link. As a quick note, links can also be applied to other elements like images or shapes, but we'll focus on text here to keep things clear. With your text highlighted, look up to the toolbar at the top of the screen and find the link icon, which looks like a small chain. Click it to open the link field. If you don't see the icon, double-check that your text is still selected. The link option only appears when Canva knows which text you're working with. A handy tip: you can also use the keyboard shortcut Command+K on Mac or Control+K on Windows to open the same link box instantly. Paste your link into the field that appears. Use the full URL, including https to prevent broken links. If you're linking to an email, you can use a mail to format. And if you're pointing to a specific page within a multi-page design, Canva may offer a page selection option. Once your link is in place, press Enter or click Apply. Your text is now linked. If you hover over the linked text, you should see a small tooltip showing the destination and an option to open it, which is a quick way to test that it's working. A couple of best practices before you finish. Use meaningful link text like View Pricing instead of Click Here, so readers know what to expect. Keep your text style consistent. Underlines and a contrasting color help people recognize links. But don't let the style fight your overall design. And when you download your design, choose a PDF format if you want the links to remain clickable. Most image formats like JPG or PNG won't preserve hyperlinks after export, but shared view links and PDFs will. That's it. Highlight your text, click the link icon, paste the URL, and you're done.